Hello, we discuss about the casein hydrolysis test. Myself Dr. Kamthani DC. This test is used to determine the ability of the organism to degrade the casein protein. This test is also used to differentiate the organisms on the basis of the production of exoenzyme caseinase. Casein, this is the major milk protein. It is a macromolecule which is composed of the amino acid subunits linked together by the peptide bonds. It is of 85% of the protein found in milk. The function of this caseinase, it is to break the peptide bond and to introduce the water molecule. Caseinase is an exoenzyme produced by some bacteria to degrade the casein. Casein is a large protein and giving white color to the milk. This test is conducted on milk agar. If organism produces caseinase, there will be formation of zone of clearance around the bacterial growth. Caseinase break down casein into polypeptides, further to peptides and then to amino acids, and these amino acids can cross across the cell membrane, and in this way the organism can utilize the amino acids. If casein broken down to smaller component molecules, it is no longer white. If organism can break casein, a clear hollow zone will appear around the area where the organism has grown. Requirements: provided bacterial suspension, sterilized skim milk agar plates. Composition: 100 ml nutrient agar, and to this add 10 ml skim milk. This firstly nutrient agar is prepared. 100 ml nutrient agar is prepared. Peptone 1 gram, meat extract 0.3 gram and sodium chloride 0.5 gram. Distilled water 100 ml. Dissolve all the ingredients and add the 0.1 normal HCl and 0.1 normal NaOH for the adjustment of the pH. pH adjusted with this HCl and NaOH to 7.4, and to this 100 ml nutrient broth add 2.5 gram of the agar. Melt the agar on the burner, and after this 10 ml skim milk is added in this 100 ml nutrient agar. It is plugged with the cotton and wrapped with the paper, and this is allowed for the sterilization purpose. Autoclaving is done at 10 Labs pressure for 40 minutes, and after this pour 15 ml quantity of the skim milk agar into sterilized plates so as to prepare the skim milk agar plates. Skim milk is the milk where the milk is boiled and the skim or the cream which is present at the top, this is removed. Again the milk, it is boiled. Again formation of the cream, it is removed. This process is continued till the milk not forming the cream, and lastly this is the skim milk. Procedure: inoculate the provided bacterial suspension in the form of spot or the line on the skim milk agar. Incubate the plate at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After incubation, observe the zone of clearance around the bacterial growth. This figure shows that there is formation of the zone of clearance around the bacterial growth. Positive test, this shows the formation of zone of clearance or the hydrolysis around the bacterial growth after the incubation process. And negative test, if the bacteria not produce the caseinase enzyme, there is no formation of the zone of clearance around the bacterial growth after incubation. This is the recording of the results. Thank you for your listening.